Welcome to RANsquawk's morning briefing for the 11th Wednesday of November 2009. Taking a quick check of the overnight news. First of all, in Asia, relatively positive sentiment we did see out of China, a raft of economic releases. Of note, in particular, was industrial production for October, coming in at 16.1% above the expected 15.5%, with retail sales at 16.2%, also stronger than expected. And so far, in terms of how we fared in trade this morning in UK and Europe, we have seen the bourses, the equity cash bourses, in positive territory, up around 1.5% at the moment in FTSE, CAC and DAX, all being predominantly led by basic materials and oil and gas. We have, with that risk appetite pick up this morning, seen the dollar index strike a new 15-month low. That in turn has seen spot gold again rise to new highs at 1,117.33 cents, up around 1% on the session, with WTI back up above $79. A couple of individual stellar earnings reports as well. The likes of E.ON, they beat expectations this morning. They're the outperforming stock in the DAX index in Germany. Also some decent numbers as well out of the likes of Crédit Agricole and in France, and also Sainsbury's in the FTSE had good numbers this morning. In terms of some US commentary to be aware of, Fed's Lacker said the US Federal Reserve has tools to withdraw the support it's given the economy and can reduce the size of its balance sheet even before it begins to raise rates on reserves. Elsewhere, Fed's Fisher spoke overnight and said the US economy faces a weak recovery that will likely warrant extremely low interest rates for the foreseeable future. He also said that inflation is likely to remain subdued for some time, and thus our current policy is appropriate. Taking a look then in terms of what we're looking out for next will be the Bank of England quarterly inflation report due to begin in the next few minutes. They're expected to signal that interest rates will stay near record lows when it delivers their latest growth and inflation forecasts. King as well will give predictions in the quarterly inflation report at 10:30. Also looking for any clues as well into whether their exit strategies are going to be implemented, and that of course of the QE having seen the extension of 25 billion to the current 200 ceiling last week. In terms of the calendar, today is pretty quiet. Volumes in Europe reflecting that. Economic releases of note. We just have now that quarterly inflation report. We have the US Bloomberg Global Confidence number at midday, but nothing out of the US. It is Veterans Day there, so the Treasury pit close. And New York Stock Exchange though does trade as per normal, but again, volumes are like to be on the lighter side given that Veterans Day. Speaker-wise, ECB's Novotny, Weber and Velink all due at 5 o'clock London time and 6 o'clock for Velink. And then in fixed income, we're looking out for reverse auction of the Bank of England. They'll be at 2:45 to 3 o'clock London time.